Applesauce is a common snack or sauce in many countries. Its pleasant texture and taste makes it appropriate for anybody from babies to elderlies. Hello everybody, I am Markus from Culinarisch. This simple snack can be consumed on its own, or you can add it to different dishes. You don't need much to make applesauce. If you remember, I had these old Boskop apples when I wanted to make a Christmas baked apple. I put the link in the description box or click on the card above. They are quite old, but you can't find any rotten mark on them. They weigh about 1 kilo. I peel the apples because the Boskop skins are tough, but if you use a non-cooking apple you can let the skin on. Your sauce color will get darker though. Cut them in chunks, like 6 to 8 pieces each, and remove the seeds and hard parts. We also need a half lemon. Put the apples in a pot and add 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 tablespoons brown sugar. Squeeze in the lemon. Add 200 ml water. We don't need much, just a little to get a simmer at the bottom of the pot. Put the lid on and when it starts to simmer reduce it to low heat. After about 20 minutes they are ready. Even if the apple of your choice is more tender than Boskop, there's no harm in cooking them so long, because we make a puree out of them. Blend the cooked apples to a smooth puree until there's no lumps. In traditional version, they either press the apples through a sieve or mash it with a masher, which gives the sauce a rough texture. I love it with potato fritters or pasta with ham and egg, and my wife enjoys it simple as a snack. I didn't make a big batch this time, because I wanted to use the old apples I had. But you can make more and keep it in the fridge up to 10 days, or even longer when you freeze them. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumb up and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.